Hello friends, welcome back to my creative YouTube channel to watch more creative videos on Streamlit. As I told many times, I like to do more videos on Streamlit. Up till now, long back ago, I think 1.5 years ago, I had done one video on steganography, image steganography. But I had done that video in Python using command prompt. But today I decided why not do such type of video using Streamlit. It is also a tool for developing machine learning program. I have done a lot of videos on machine learning program using Streamlit. Face recognition, face detection, age gender classification, attendance system, face comparison, and many more videos on Streamlit. Today I will explain in short, in brief, about cryptography and steganography. Steganography and cryptography are little bit similar concept. But in cryptography, writing letter, for example, it means writing letter in different languages for cryptography. That means the person who sees that letter, if it is written in different languages, consider it is written in security keyword, you can't understand. Just like when you log in, when you do login, username and password, the password are in dot. That means no one understands that what are password. That is something like security techniques which are very important in today's cyber security world. But cryptography, steganography means hiding data in image file. That means the image selected is called cover image and the image obtained is called stegno image. Remember that in steganography some algorithms are used. I will try to explain more on algorithm in my upcoming videos on steganography. So today we will see how we can do image steganography using Streamlit. So first of all, we will go through the program. This is all about the program. Now I will execute the program. Yes. Image steganography. Steganography is the practice of information which when secret data is about. Now I will upload an image first. I will upload image from the my image. Yes, my image has been uploaded. Now enter the secret text. Sanjay like to make videos on YouTube. Enter secret image name, then image name SECUR security image name, then text here Sanjay like to make videos on YouTube channel. Now I will hide. Now we will check. It is the color is changed, so it is hidden. Now this is my secret image. The image here it is Sanjay, but now it is showing the secret image. Now it is changed. Now I will download the image. I will first of all download the image. Now the image has been downloaded. The name of the image is security. We can check it on. Now I will upload the image for decryption. Download. Then security is the name of image. Now here security, we will secret message. Sanjay like to make video on YouTube. So I successfully done with image steganography. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on steganography, Streamlit, Keras, TensorFlow, I will try to explore keras and TensorFlow using Streamlit, face recognition, face detection, attendance system, age and gender detection in different style. Then foods and vegetable classification. I have done more videos on foods and vegetable classification, so please watch my all videos on Streamlit. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.